Yeah, Hiral, hi. We can start, Hiral. Hello, Hiral.
Yeah, Kunal, just give me 1 second. Hello and welcome to Nirmal, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Dadia. We have with us Kunal Shah, Head of Commodities Research, joining in. Kunal, welcome to the show. Kunal, firstly, yes, the dollar index has continued to move higher. And with this, a lot of data that will be coming in from the US on Friday. How do you see it impacting the commodities market, and how important is that data going to be?
I think, like you rightly saying, it's going to be very important, mainly the jobless data. And yesterday we have seen US bond yields, which have made a new high yesterday, 2.54. That led to correction in all the commodities. So going forward from now, I think what remains to be seen is how the dollar index and how these other parameters are moving. My personal opinion is that we are going to see some more bit of weakness in today's trading session. So today, gold and silver, dollar index can weaken a bit. 94 seems to be the psychological level for the dollar. It can go down a bit. So in evening session, gold October contract, if you are having a long, it can shoot up by 46 150, and December contract 46,100, good levels to buy for the upside target of 46,350 to 400. So another 200 to 250 rupees upside expected in gold. Silver also looks positive, 60,100 levels to go by. Put a very strict stop loss below 59,900 and expect it to move up and test levels of 60,600 to 60,700.
Right. So that's with regards to where gold and silver go. Now, simultaneously, if you go to see in terms of crude, we are seeing higher levels on a daily basis with regards to where crude is concerned right now. A lot of brokerage houses, Kunal, are now expecting crude to probably go to 80, 85, even $90 a barrel by the end of the year. Do you think that's something which could be a possibility?
Well, yes, 80, $85 looks very much a realistic target rather than the optimistic target. The problem with the oil is that the global economy is going through a sharp turbulences in terms of the lockdown. So, on one hand, all the economies have started to open up, and on another hand, oil production hike is just 4 lakh barrels per month. So far 8 lakh barrels have been produced more, and the demand has risen by more than 1.5 to 1.3 million barrels. So I think this imbalance is causing prices to move up. Oil to after inventory can still go up 55.10 or 55.20, good levels to go along. 5600, 5620 are the levels you can expect after inventory.
Okay, so that's with regards to where crude is concerned. Another aspect that we need to now consider with regards to base metals is the impact of China's energy crisis. Do you think that is something which will impact and unleash turmoil in the commodities market going ahead as well? And that could be troublesome?
Yes, Hiral, partly I agree to your answer. And I think this is something, where what is happening with the China's power crisis is going to drive aluminum prices up. I have been bullish on aluminum. I've given a spread also, buy aluminum, sell copper. I think it's going to continue for today evening session. I'm expecting aluminum to move up and test levels of 237, 237.50. 234 buying level, 232 keep a stop loss, and 237.38 target is my strategy for evening session. Aluminum will keep outperforming. Even nickel have corrected, it can bounce back. 1428 good levels to go long. On the upside, you can see levels of 14 39.40. There, those are the levels where I would recommend to book your profits, and again you can short. And stop loss should be kept below 1419 1419.
In fact, Kunal, that's having an impact in soybean as well. So, are you seeing a direct impact in the market right now with regards to soybean prices?
Well, yes, soybean prices are basically in India are under pressure because of the whatever steps government took. But I think maximum upside is still 67 to 6,800.
Hmm.
These are levels from which soybean will again start to go down because government has allowed the imports, and this is causing soybean prices to remain under pressure. So I'm expecting, this pressure to continue going forward.
Right. And anything else on the agri commodity side that one should be watching out for?
I think nothing much. Turmeric looks attractive to me for the upside target of 7,500. So I recommend to go long in turmeric.
Right. So that's overall with regards to where the commodities market is concerned. Thank you, participants. Thank you, Kunal, for joining in as well.